In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an Excel user form as a PNG image. Let's jump straight in. Open Excel and start a blank workbook. Once you have your blank workbook ready, press Alt plus F11 on your keyboard to open the Visual Basic Editor. This is where we'll build the form and add our code. Inside the Visual Basic Editor, look at the menu bar at the top. Click on Insert, then choose User Form from the dropdown. A blank UserForm 1 will appear on your screen, and right next to it you'll see the Toolbox panel containing all the controls we need. Now we'll build a simple user form. In the Toolbox, locate the Label control, which shows the letter A as its icon. Click on it, then drag at a rectangle near the top of the form to place the label. With the label still selected, look at the Properties window on the left side. Find the Caption property and change it to a short heading. Type in Order Summary as your label text. Next, head back to the Toolbox and click the TextBox control. Drop the first text box just below the label by drawing it on the form, then add a second text box right beneath the first one. These two text boxes stand in for real form fields you might use later. After that, click the Command button control in the Toolbox, which looks like a small, gray rectangle. Draw a button near the bottom of the form. Select that button. Then in the Properties window, change its name to cmdSavePNG and change its caption to Save as PNG. Now we'll add the PNG export code behind the button. Double-click the Save as PNG button on the form. This action opens the form's code module and gives you an empty cmdSavePNG_click stub. Select all of the existing code inside that module and delete it completely, so the module is empty. Paste in the full VBA code provided in the description below this video. Inside the pasted code, locate the line that starts with sFile equals, followed by the file path pointing to userform.png. You can change this address to any file location on your computer where you want the image saved. Update the path to suit your folder structure. Once your code is in place, press Ctrl plus S to save the workbook. Excel will prompt you about the macro-enabled format. Click No on that dialog. Then in the Save As Type dropdown, pick Excel Macro Enable Workbook with the xlsm extension and save the file. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's run the user form. Click anywhere inside UserForm 1 in the Visual Basic Editor, but make sure you click on the form itself and not inside the code window. This makes the form the active object. Then press F5 on your keyboard to run the form. The user form pops up in front of Excel, ready for you to interact with it. Now click the button and save the PNG. Type anything you like into the first text box so it looks populated. Then click into the second text box and type some sample content there as well, just so the form has visible data on it. Once both fields are filled in, click the Save as PNG button on the form. Wait about 2 seconds while the magic happens. The form will briefly hide itself. The chart export routine runs in the background, and finally a message box appears confirming that the image was saved to your file location. Finally, let's confirm the PNG was created. Open File Explorer on your computer and navigate to the folder where you set the file location in the code. Look for the file named userform.png. Double-click that file to open it. The default Photos viewer launches and displays your image. You'll see a pixel-perfect capture of the user form exactly as it looked at the moment you clicked the button, with the heading, both text boxes filled in, and the Save as PNG button all visible inside the saved image.